different start to the day, a little bit later in the day, but that's all right. Welcome to Initial Speed, another episode. So today, nothing big. I'm picky when it comes to certain things, especially my car. So this winter, the last 2 winters, I had to drive the Audi, even though I didn't want to. The winter beater, the Golf, the Mark IV Golf, died. Head gasket went. Anyhow, sold that car. So the winters were on the Audi. Now the winter's over. The wheels are off. Now they're a bit dirty, so clean them up, make sure they're nice and freshy, so when the winter comes around, hopefully I don't have to drive it again. I can get something as a daily and have the Audi just as my fun toy, my project. So with doing that, I think as well what I will do is clean up the second set of Summers, the R8s. You can clearly see how dirty it is. Drives me nuts. And I don't know how this got chipped up. I gotta send those out to get them refinished again. Oh, there's a perfect example. Look at this. Dirty that is. The winters, so you can see that. Ugh. The barrels, look at that. So I'm gonna set the camera down, get to some soap and water, maybe a little bit of wax before I put them back away. Well, not if I'm getting those R8s refinished. Anyhow, this is what we're up to. Come along for the ride. Soap, water, and a brush for the little places. Color come out. Look at that color, baby. the other reason why you want to keep your rims clean, not only that, you know, the car looks fresh, but that brake dust bites into the aluminum and can leave pitting. You don't want pitting, because then the rims just look bad. Anyhow, we'll do the barrel now of the R8 rims. And that's one done. Another one done. So on this rim, I had a CV boot tear, so there's a bit more, well, there's grease in this wheel. So what I'm going to do is put the dish soap in there, because that cuts grease very well. Smear it in, let it sit, go deal with the others, and then I'll come back to it. Okay guys, let's try this again. Battery died. Everything has been scrubbed up. rinsed off, is sitting in the sun to dry. So I just wanted to end by showing you a little of what they look like and to say thank you for all of your support. Continue to stay safe from that virus. And don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. All of those would be greatly appreciated. And I mean, you're at home anyway. It's right there. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. All right. Thanks. Take care, guys.